Hey guys, welcome to my first 2021 vlog. Woo! So anyways, I'm very excited. I haven't vlogged in a long time, and I mean months, okay? So I'm very excited for this vlog, and this vlog is going to be mostly in English. I will speak Thai sometimes, but anyways, if you want to see subtitles in English, please hit the CC button below. ถ้าเกิดว่าอยากดู subtitle เป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะคะสามารถกดได้เลยค่ะที่ปุ่ม CC ข้างล่างนะคะแล้วก็คลิกไปที่ English subtitles หรือซับภาษาอังกฤษค่ะแต่ว่าคลิปนี้นะคะจะเป็นภาษาอังกฤษซะส่วนใหญ่นะคะเพื่อนๆจะได้เรียนรู้ภาษาไปด้วยเนาะ so anyways it is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everyone. Not much going on today. You can see behind me here. Let me show you what's on my bed. Oh my gosh! What a mess! Okay, so apologize for my mess. But these are all my workout clothes that I need to sort out. I need to hang them up or fold them. But I have more here. And wait a minute. I'm sorry for my Christmas nails. Partly missing. So anyways, opening my closet here, I have more workout clothes. Oh my gosh. Ouch. So anyways, let's do that together now. Ta-da! Sorted! Look guys! All organized, so I did not toss very many. I only tossed like I would say a few pieces out, but everything is organized. So I have the jackets here, and then I have like the hoodies, and then the long sleeves, the short sleeves, tank tops. I have like workout pants here. So that is it, and then on this shelf I should have more, so I would put shorts on there or something like that. Anyways, so that is done, and look! Wow. You can see my bed now. I can see my bed now, and I don't have to sleep with the mess, so I can just enjoy the whole bed here. So I love my bed, it looks so magical. Okay guys, so normally my mom cooks breakfast but today she's not here, and so on the day that she's not here I like to treat myself with mu ping and khao niao, which is like pork on sticks and then sticky rice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go get them and get some coffee because I can't live a day without coffee. Coffee is my husband. So yeah, let's go. No, they don't have mu ping. So it's my lucky day really. On the day that I want to eat mu ping, there's no mu ping, but I got sticky rice, and this is called mu sen, I think. Anyways, it's like pork on this little bamboo ring. So I'll show you here. But it's really cheap, guys. So this is like 10 baht, and I got 3 of them. And then sticky rice, this is like 10 baht also. So anyways, all together was 40 baht, and I also got my husband, I mean my coffee. So I'm good to go for the day. And guys, I like to eat and enjoy this in my car alone. That's what I like to do on the day that I'm alone and I'm not eating with my mom and I'm on the go. So I guess if you don't mind, I'm going to eat and chat with you for a little bit. by the way, there's some like fat bits on the thingy, but I don't like it. Some people do, but I take out the fat bit. Yeah, anyways, let's talk about YouTube channel a little bit. Like I said, this vlog is going to be mostly in English, and from now on, I think I would do my videos mostly in English, because I feel like it's in my nature more. I feel more comfortable speaking English, and I also think it's a good idea for Thai people as well to be able to practice their English by listening to the real English that I use in daily life. And also, if someone that cannot understand Thai come across my channel or my clips, they can enjoy it too. If you're not Thai, welcome to my channel. My name is Jaina, if I haven't introduced myself yet. So anyways, exchanges with Jaina started as a channel to teach English to Thai people when I was focusing on teaching English only to Thai people, because that's my job. I work for my parents and they own a language school. So I thought I wanted to do YouTube, but that would be something quite helpful to do something with education and something that I already it's already like part of me. I also wanted to do beauty and all that, but I didn't have time because I was working 6 days a week. But guys, life changed completely around. I'm not really into working for my parents full time anymore. I'm still teach. I'm still working in some parts of the business, but I got a job working for a TV channel, which is channel 4. So that gives me a chance, an opportunity to think about what I really want to do, because to be honest, I've been having this feeling inside myself where something inside of me, or my needs, or who I want to become, what I want to do, it's like really want to come out, but I couldn't really put the finger on it. I couldn't really figure out what I wanted to do, but I just always knew that language teaching is not just it's not me as the person, or it's not me completely. I mean, it's still a part of me. So anyways, I need to eat while I'm talking, otherwise I will not finish my food. I hope you don't mind me chewing. But anyways, where was I? So I'm the kind of person that I'm interested in so many things in my life, and I just think that for me, being born and growing up in this world, I would love to experience and try so many things, and I would love to do good things for myself. I would love to focus on improving myself as much as I can, and by doing so, you know, if something works, I like to also share with the world. So that's what my channel is coming about. It's not going to be just a language teaching. It's going to be anything and everything that would improve my life. I'm learning and sharing in the same time. So like I said in my intro video, I'm not a psychologist. I don't have a degree in that. I need to eat. I'm not a coach. I'm a person who is learning and sharing at the same time. So yeah, I would like to share about anything that would improve my life and improve your lives as well. So I hope that all my clips can inspire you somehow. If not, if you already done all the thing like this, I hope that my personality, I'm quite a cheerful, happy person most of the time, and I like to project that out to people. I like to make people happy. I'm going to finish eating and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay guys, so that was so delish. Anyways, I need to finish this coffee and drive to get my hair washed. My hair hair is ridiculously oily, super oily. I've been working out outside and been sweating a lot, so my hair is, yeah, like I said, super oily. I'm going to the hair salon to get my hair washed. I haven't washed my own hair for a very long time. I would say at least 2 years now, and I will explain later why, but for now I need to drive there and get my hair washed. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to be memorizing my scripts because I've got filming tomorrow and I have 7 scripts to memorize. So let's kill 2 birds in 1 stone. So let's see you guys after the salon.
A few moments later.
Guys, my hair is done. Looking really nice, and it feels so light and fresh and clean. I feel so much better when my hair is like this. So, okay, as I promised, I told you that I was gonna tell you why I don't wash my own hair, okay? If you look at my hair here, look at the length. It's really long. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like basically long and thick. And also you can see that I colored my hair. I bleached my hair. So if I wash and dry my own hair, it would take a long time. You know, I think going to the salon is a lot better. Anyways, I've got one more exciting thing to show you here. As you know, I told you that my parents have a language school, but I'm not really working there anymore. I'm changing to working from home, which is convenient, you know, like right now many people are also working from home, but I did not have my own office. If you watched my clips before, you know, when I did the vlog and all that, I was still in my own home, but I moved into my mom's home because 1, my dad passed away and she's alone, and 2, I'm single now, so might as well just move in with my mom and keep her company. And it's nice to have my mom around as well. She's a great roommate most of the time. Anyways, I found it frustrating when I don't have a designated place that I can work. You know, I've been working on a dining table and sometimes my mom's eating or stuff everywhere, and I really don't like clutter. So I would love to have a nice organized place where I can just focus on my work, and I know that once I enter the room, I can focus on work, and this is like a working time or something. Because seriously, if I work in a dining room, I would want to eat. If I work in the living room, I want to relax on the sofa. Or if I work in the bedroom, that doesn't work, and I'm sure many of you know that already. Anyways, I will stop talking now and show you the room that I'm going to turn into the office. It's not finished yet, but this is an empty room at the moment. Entering from my living room. Okay, this is the extension part of the house. We used to have like a door, like a swing open door, but now we are turning it into a sliding door. So that would give us more space in this room. It will save some space. And we repainted the walls. And the color we are using is the color that if you've seen my previous vlogs in my own home, is this color here. So that's like the leftover color, which is fine. It's quite a lively, happy color. And the floor, we retired the floor. Before it was like the floor like this, you know, that we have in the house. But we want to make it new and fresh. So I went to choose the tiles with my mom and really love this design. It's still dirty, guys. We still have to do a lot more to this room, but see, it looks like wood here. I really like that. So it's like a gray color. Yeah, the door here, we just repainting, but it's not finished yet.
Nope.
And this is my favorite part, guys. So this is where I'm thinking about putting my work tables here and maybe my mom's work table there. But she's not sure because she feels like when she faces the window, it's just too bright for her eyes. So I have to play with it some more. Let's flip the screen back so you can see me talking. But this window here, I love it so much because, you know, when I work, I can just look out and see some green. That's good for my creative thinking. We still need to tint the window because in the daytime in Thailand, that is like super hot and bright. And then we're gonna put the blind or curtain or something. My mom already has that in her mind. I don't know. I just let her deal with that. I'm just doing the decoration. For the furniture, we're gonna try not to buy anything. We're gonna move some furnitures that we already have from the office, and we are going to make it work. Well, I'm going to make it work. I asked my mom, like, please let me make decision. Let me decorate this room. You know, she already decorated her garden, and she prefers being in her garden. And I prefer being inside the house. And, you know, being an artistic person, I love decorating and organizing. So yeah, that's exciting. It's not finished yet, so I cannot do before and after, you know, decoration before and after kind of clip, kind of content yet, but I would try to do that in my next lifestyle video. So yeah, that's about it. I will show you later, so stay tuned to that. So guys, I memorized all my 7 scripts and then I had late lunch. I think I had lunch about 1:45, and then I've been on the computer for a while now doing some more work. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for a while. I've asked my mom to go grab some food for dinner. Yay! Finally, I'm leaving the house and here is my mom. Say hi!
Hi.
And pay attention. You need to drive carefully. Okay, so we are going somewhere, right? Where are we going, Mom?
We're going to have dinner.
Yes. Okay, together. And what are we going to have for dinner?
What we're going to have?
Yeah, what are we going to have for dinner?
I forgot.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we are going to have sugi, right?
Sukiyaki.
Yes. So sugi is like hot pot. Yeah. So that's what we want. We want some hot soup.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I am home. I'm super full stuff. I ate so much and I'm super sleepy, so I think I will call it an early night. But before that, I need to take a shower, and I think I will do maybe an hour meditation if I'm not too sleepy. But yeah, anyways, this is my favorite place in the whole wide world. My bedroom, I love it so much. I love my bed. I love the way I decorate it. So anyways, thank you so much if you are still here. ถ้าตอนนี้ยังอยู่ตรงนี้นะคะ thank you so much, and I hope you like this clip. หวังว่าทุกคนจะชอบนะคะ Please like, share and subscribe for me. แล้วก็comment heart นะคะ send me heart emoji if you like this clip